Take control. Unleash the power of budgeting. Do you dream of financial freedom? Do you want to control your money? You need a budget. A budget is a plan for your money. It tells your money where to go. It helps you spend less than you earn. Without a budget, you're lost at sea. Money slips through your fingers. You wonder where it went. A budget brings clarity. It gives you control. You make conscious decisions about your money. A budget is not about deprivation. It's about freedom. Freedom from debt. Freedom from stress. Freedom to pursue your dreams. When you budget, you decide what's important. You prioritize your spending. Take control of your money. Take control of your life. Start budgeting today. Please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. Also, suggest topics you would like us to discuss. Spend less, save more, the foundation of financial freedom. Financial freedom starts with a simple principle: spend less than you earn. This may seem obvious, but many people struggle with it. They live paycheck to paycheck. They are trapped in a cycle of debt. The solution is to save money. Even small amounts add up over time. Make saving a habit. Automate your savings. Treat savings like a bill you must pay. When you spend less, you have more to save. Look for ways to cut expenses. Identify unnecessary spending. Challenge yourself to live below your means. Saving is the foundation of financial freedom. It allows you to build wealth. It empowers you to achieve your goals. Start small. Be consistent. Watch your savings grow. Break free. Escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap. Living paycheck to paycheck is stressful. It means you're one unexpected expense away from disaster. It limits your options. It keeps you from pursuing your dreams. A budget helps you break free from this trap. It allows you to track your income and expenses. You identify areas where you can cut back. You create a plan to pay off debt. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Write down every dollar you spend. You may be surprised by what you find. Once you understand your spending habits, you can make changes. Breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Imagine the freedom of having financial security. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you're in control. Dreams to reality: budgeting as your financial compass. What are your dreams? A new home, early retirement, travel the world. A budget helps turn those dreams into reality. When you budget, you set financial goals. You create a roadmap to achieve them. You allocate your money strategically. You track your progress along the way. Your budget is your financial compass. It keeps you on track. It helps you stay focused on your goals. It empowers you to make choices that align with your dreams. Don't let your dreams remain just dreams. Use a budget to turn them into concrete plans. Start small, build momentum, celebrate your successes along the way. Section 5. Craft your blueprint. A step-by-step guide to budgeting. Creating a budget is easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, write down all your sources of income and track your spending for a month. Second, choose a budgeting method that works for you, like zero-based budgeting or the envelope system. Third, identify your short-term and long-term financial goals. Fourth, group your expenses into categories like housing, transportation, and food. Fifth, determine how much you can afford to spend in each category. Sixth, set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Lastly, your budget is a living document, so review and adjust it as needed. Remember, your budget is a tool to help you achieve your financial goals. It's not meant to be restrictive. Be flexible and adjust it as needed. Section 6. Aim high. The importance of setting financial goals. A budget without goals is like a ship without a destination. You may sail, but you won't know where you're going. Setting financial goals gives you direction. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART. For example, instead of saying I want to save more money, set a specific goal like I will save $5,000 for a down payment on a car in 2 years. Write down your goals and keep them visible. Break down large goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Celebrate your progress along the way. When you have clear financial goals, you're more motivated to stick to your budget. You have a purpose for saving and spending. You can track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Section 7. Master your spending. Categorize and conquer. When you categorize your spending, you gain valuable insights into your financial habits. You identify areas where you're overspending. You can make informed decisions about where to cut back. Common spending categories include housing, which covers rent or mortgage, utilities, and property taxes. Transportation, which includes car payment, gas, insurance, and public transportation. Food, which involves groceries, dining out, and takeout. Healthcare, which covers health insurance, doctor's visits, and prescriptions. And entertainment, which includes movies, concerts, and hobbies. Once you've categorized your expenses, assign spending limits to each category. Be realistic, but also challenge yourself to find savings. Track your spending regularly to ensure you're staying within your limits. Section 8. Supercharge your savings. Proven strategies for growth. Saving money is crucial for financial security. Here are some proven strategies to boost your savings. Asterisk. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. Asterisk. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify and eliminate non-essential spending. Asterisk. Negotiate lower bills. Negotiate lower rates for services like internet, cable, and insurance. Shop around for better deals. Compare prices before making major purchases. Asterisk. Increase your income. Explore side hustles or freelance opportunities to boost your earnings. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference over time. Make saving a habit and watch your financial freedom grow. Section 9. Conquer debt, the path to financial liberation. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. It creates stress, limits your options, and prevents you from building wealth. Here's how to tackle debt. Create a debt payoff plan. List all your debts, including balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Prioritize your debts. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit cards. Consider debt consolidation. Explore options like balance transfers or debt consolidation loans to lower your interest rates. Negotiate with creditors. Contact your creditors to discuss options for lower payments or interest rates. Seek professional help. If you're struggling with debt, consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor. Becoming debt-free takes time and discipline, but the rewards are immeasurable. Imagine the peace of mind and freedom that come with being debt-free. Section 10. Embrace flexibility. Adapting your budget to life's changes. Life is full of surprises. Your budget should be flexible enough to adapt to changes in your circumstances. Don't be afraid to adjust your budget as needed. Common life changes that may require budget adjustments include job loss or change. Review your budget and identify areas to cut back. Marriage or divorce. Combine finances or create separate budgets. Birth or adoption of a child. Factor in the costs of childcare, education, and other expenses. Unexpected expenses. Dip into your emergency fund or adjust your budget to cover unexpected costs. Remember, your budget is a tool to help you navigate life's financial challenges. Be adaptable and make adjustments as needed. Section 11. Avoid budget busters. Common mistakes to sidestep. Even with the best intentions, people make budgeting mistakes. Here are some common ones to avoid. Not tracking spending. Failing to track your expenses can lead to overspending and derail your budget. Setting unrealistic goals. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to discouragement and make it harder to stick to your budget. Ignoring small expenses. Small expenses can add up over time. Track all your spending no matter how small. Being too rigid. Your budget should be flexible enough to accommodate unexpected expenses and life changes. Giving up too soon. Budgeting takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll increase your chances of budgeting success. Section 12. Take charge today. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. You have the power to change your financial future. Start budgeting today and take control of your money. It's never too late to start. Remember these key takeaways. A budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. Spend less than you earn and save the difference. Set financial goals and track your progress. Be flexible and adjust your budget as needed. Don't give up. Your financial journey starts with a single step. Take that step today and start building the life you deserve. You can do it!